What guarantee do you have on your flat surfaces when you've soft washed your flat surfaces? You've got your 5-year warranty on your roof, your pitched roof. Why is there a guarantee on the flat surfaces? Basically, no, not really. Where water can pool, dogs poo, cars drive, people walk, leaves sit for too long. There's just too much beyond the control of any chemicals. The easiest answer is, how long did it last when it was new? Because usually what happens with the driveway or a patio, you first lay it, looks lovely, you got all the vibrant colors of the sandstone, whatever, and you don't usually have to clean it for 2, 3, 4 years at all. Spray it off with a garden hose to get rid of some loose soil that's come out of your flower beds, but that's about it. Then you clean it that first time, you pressure wash it. Then suddenly it's a year later, you've got to do it again. For a couple of years, you might do it once a year. Then it's twice a year. And then invariably people start saying, oh, I don't mind if it's a bit black, it gives character. The reason for this, each time you pressure wash it, you're mowing the lawn, you're giving it a haircut. Your stone is porous, especially something like sandstone. The roots and spores are within the stone itself. So each time you clean it, you're cleaning off the surface, looks great. But after time, you start getting that overall gray look that you can never get rid of with cold water pressure washing. You start getting your black lichens, your white lichens, all of that. You can't get rid of those black spots, can you? I mean, they're a swine. So what soft washing does is, by chemically cleaning it, by killing every root and spore, it takes it back to when it was new, back to the beginning of the cycle, back to, oh, I didn't have to clean it for 3 or 4 years. That's really the long and the short of it. We take it to when it was new. So the answer is not how long ago was it you last cleaned it, but how long was it when it was brand new until you had to clean it that first time. Sometimes it might be 6 months, sometimes it might be 10 years. That's the best answer I can give you.